Hey, what is up folks? This is the Techno channel, and in this video we'll be unboxing the very first phone on this channel, the Xiaomi Redmi Y1. So let's see what we have here. Okay, let's first see what the box says here. This phone has a 5.5-inch LCD display with Corning Gorilla Glass protection. There's a 16 megapixel front-facing camera accompanied by a flash. It's powered by a Snapdragon 435 octa-core processor, and this particular phone is the 4GB RAM and 64GB storage variant. It's made in India and costs about 11,000 bucks, but the box is 12,000, so maybe Xiaomi wants to raise the prices later on. So let's unbox this thing, huh? One slice here, and another one here. Let's get rid of the plastic. So the box has a matte finish and feels premium. I have to make another slice at the bottom and a clean one on the top. Let's open this thing up. So here's the device folks, but I'll put it to the side for now and check what else we have in here. There's some paperwork as usual. The empty slot is where the headphones should have been. There is the USB cable though, a regular micro USB type. There's a SIM ejector tool, we all need that. And hiding underneath is the power brick. It's the usual 5V 2A affair, nothing special. And once again, here are all the box contents: the phone, the power brick, the USB cable, and the paperwork. So let's check out the phone now, but let me peel this away first. Peel this off. So here's the device, guys. It's got a 16 megapixel camera up top, the sensors and LEDs on the other side. The buttons are at the bottom below the screen. It also has 2.5D Gorilla Glass, so feels premium to hold. On the back is the main 13 megapixel camera with flash, a fingerprint sensor in the middle, and the Mi branding at the bottom. On the right are volume rocker and power buttons. At the bottom is the USB port and the speaker grill. On the left is the SIM tray. And on top is the 3.5mm jack, infrared blaster, and the secondary noise cancellation microphone. Let's have a quick look at the SIM tray. So Xiaomi has finally given us a proper SIM slot this time, so you can use 2 SIM cards and a micro SD card at the same time. I can't tell you what a godsend that is. But remember, this is a plastic tray, so you'll have to be careful not to break it. Let's put it back in for now. Yep, fits flush. Now let's boot up the device for the first time. And out of the box, it's running MIUI 8. Okay, it's asking me to set up a fingerprint, and it's done. So this is the phone folks, typical MIUI interface, feels snappy. Let's go to the settings and check the system info. It's running Android Nougat 7.1.2 out of the box. And as for storage, it's got 53.99 GB free out of 64, which is not bad. Let's also quickly check out the camera. Let's click the streamliner here. That was quite fast. It focuses quickly. Let's take another shot. Okay, now let's check out the fingerprint sensor. Okay, it works. And it's quite snappy. One more time. Wow, pretty fast. So folks, that was a quick unboxing of the Redmi Y1, and here are the specs before we go. And remember to hit that like button on the right, and do subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. We'll be putting out the full review soon, so do hit that bell icon so you don't miss it. See ya.